Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. Today's class we're going to be looking at the division of a polynomial of any degree. Now you will have learned that a polynomial can range from a degree 2 to as high as a degree 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But for purpose of solution, we are going to be dealing with polynomials with much lower degrees. And now we want to divide this particular polynomial. We have 2x squared plus x minus 3. We want to divide using what? X minus 1. We call this expression the dividend. And we call this the divisor. So traditionally we will not be able to use the normal division technique, and so what we adopt here is the long division. We call it the long division. Now, so we simply put this. So we put our dividend into this place. 2x squared plus x minus 3. And divisor x minus 1. So this is going to be x minus 1. Now, dividing a polynomial is straightforward, but one thing you must take note is that you divide a polynomial by the first expression of the divisor. The first expression of the divisor is what we use to divide the dividend of a polynomial. In this case, we have x as the first expression. Then we have x minus 1, right? But x is the first expression here. So we are going to be dividing everything in here by what? By x. We are going to be dividing this expression, the first divisor here, by the first dividend, yes. So the first expression of the divisor, we are going to multiply the first expression of the dividend. Are you getting now? So that's how we do it. So the first expression here divides this particular expression. We don't have to go to these other ones. I'm going to get to that part now. So I'm going to use x to divide this. If I divide here by x, I'm going to be left with 2x. Are you getting me now? So when you have gotten this expression, you're not going to multiply this by the two figures here now. Are you getting me now? Now we have 2x here as the first value of when we have divided x by 2x squared. Are you following me now? So you're not going to multiply 2x by x and by minus 1. Are you getting me now? And we're going to put them under the relevant places that they fall into in this category. So when I multiply 2x squared by x, 2x by x, I'm going to have what? 2x squared. And when I multiply 2x squared by minus 1, I'm going to have minus 2x. Are you following me now? I'm going to have minus 2x. So now, I'm going to perform a subtraction. Are you getting now? I'm going to subtract these expressions. So when I subtract, this will become 0. So this will become plus x minus minus 2x. In broad terms, this is just like saying plus x minus minus 2x. And you know that minus times minus will give you a plus. So in this case, this is like plus x plus 2x, which will give us plus 3x. So this will become what? 3x. Then the main figure here, we're going to bring it down to become minus 3. So we are going to continue the process of our division until we get to a point where we can no longer divide, or we have 0 as the remainder. So we call this expression a remainder. But if it will not continue to be a remainder if it is possible for us to still divide by the first term of our divisor. We know that we can use x to divide this expression. So we are going to continue the division further. So I'm going to say x divided by 3x. That's going to be what? 3. I get it now. So this will be plus 3. I get it now. So 3 times x will give me 3x again. 3 times minus 1 will give me minus 3. Are you getting me now? So now we perform the subtraction again. So when you are doing the division of a polynomial, the expression you're going to be using is going to be the subtraction sign. I guess now you're going to be subtracting. So that's what we're using basically. So if we subtract this now, we're going to have 0. Then here we're going to have, it's going to become minus 3. minus 3. So just like we had the same case here, we have minus 3 plus 3. So we have what? 0. So minus 3 plus 3 gives what? 0 and 0. So in this case now, we can say that our remainder has become 0. We can no longer go forward to what? To divide again. Are you getting me now? So this is a simple way to perform the division of a polynomial. I believe that this example is well explanatory. I look forward to getting your feedback. I want to get your reactions to what you have just watched, and if you need more clarification, don't forget that you can reach me. You can check my WhatsApp number. It's going to be in the description, and we can have a good time together. So please remember to share with your friends, and like this will help them to be able to perform their various exercises or assignments that they may have been given by a teacher in school. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.